Hi guys, today we are going to talk about the TikTok application. And now we will show you how to check who shares you on TikTok. So let's go to this application. And unfortunately, we need to say that you don't have this special option to check all of the individual profiles that have shared you on your videos, but we have a cool solution to check the number of shares for the selected video, for example. So let's check it. We are on our profile page, and after we have to tap on the video we are interested in. For example, this one. And at the bottom of the screen, we have the specific shares icon and the number opposite it. This is the number of all of the shares. Perfect. And if you want to find out your analytics, let's tap on the three lines icon and choose the Creator Tools option. Click on it one time and choose Analytics. This is the first option. Wait a minute, please. Yes. Perfect. As you can see, right now we have the whole number of shares here. But it's our analytics and it shows you only for the selected date, the last 7 days. Yes, you can check our analytics, for example, of our TikTok channel, and we need to say that if you liked this video, if this video was interesting for you, don't forget to subscribe on our TikTok, to our TikTok and of course YouTube channels. Don't forget about it. And thank you guys for this watching. Goodbye. Good luck.